October 23rd, Saint Theodoret, martyr. About the year 361, Julian, uncle to the emperor of that name, and like his nephew, an apostate, was made Count of the East. He closed the Christian churches at Antioch, and when Saint Theodoret assembled the Christians in private, he was summoned before the tribunal of the court and most inhumanly tortured. His arms and feet were fastened by ropes to pulleys, and stretched until his body appeared nearly 8 feet long, and the blood streamed from his sides. "O most wretched man," he said to his judge, "you know well that at the time of the day of the judgment, the crucified God whom you blaspheme will send you and the tyrant whom you serve to hell." Julian trembled at this awful prophecy, but he had the saint dispatched quickly by sword, and in a little while the judge himself was arraigned before the judgment seat of God. Those who do not go down to hell in spirit are very likely to go down there in reality. Take care to meditate upon the 4 last things, and to live in a holy fear. You will learn to love God better by thinking how he punishes those who do not love him.